Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the anglerfish like this. This fish has a really unique shape and color like this. It's so cool, I think. And so I think it's perfect if you want to decorate your aquarium. And to catch it, you need to fishing it at the sea fishing or fishing event at the fishing village. On here you can get when you join this event, this one, just join this event like this, and then in here you can get this fish, and you can catch this fish at the weather, some weather, at the sunny, rainy and rainbow weather like this. And if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use fish attractor or mermaid perfume, because it will help increase spawn rate. So they are very useful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.